Etiop East Agbo Gospel Musician Association of Nigeria, in conjunction with Christian Association of Nigeria, CAN Echo Unit, present the 3rd edition of Etiop East Agbo Global Praise Day, tagged Sound of Abundance. Date, Monday 28 April 2025. Time, 10 a.m. Venue, St. Matthias Anglican Church Open Field, Eku, Delta State. Host, Apostle Evans Olomu, Chairman, Etiop East Agbo Gospel Musician Association of Nigeria. Senior Apostle Bifos Peter, CAN Chairman, Echo Unit. Evangelist Solomon Itietie, Vice Chairman, Etiop East Agbo Gospel Musician Association of Nigeria. Evangelist Joseph Otite, Secretary, Etiop East Agbo Gospel Musician Association of Nigeria. Reverend Ambassador Abraham Diode, Planning Committee Chairman. Guest Speaker, Distinguished Apostle Linus Enomolele JP, CAN Chairman, Etiop East Chapter. Guest Artist, Evangelist Ogenewede Cooper, Minister Tangot Evans, Minister Okesas. Powered by Etiop East Agbo Gospel Musician Association of Nigeria. Announcer, Apostle Evans Olomu, Chairman, Etiop East Agbo Gospel Musician Association of Nigeria. Come and experience praises that can change your story.